Do not have any idea why you need to switch to solar energy? Solar energy is clean and renewable, therefore non-polluting and avoid global warming. Solar panel conversion of sunlight into unusable solar energy is providing heat, light, hot water, electricity for solar farm, solar commercial and industrial and solar residential. Going solar means savings of 30 to 60% and higher market value of your home for residential. Big savings for businesses. And higher return on investments for solar farms. Let us discuss solar farm. Solar farm is composed of solar panels. It can be installed and sell generated energy to the power company. Can be owned by independent producer or community. Return on investment. Having a solar farm with low maintenance cost and electricity savings has result guaranteed of 25 years. Next is solar commercial and industrial. High power requirements for factories and business offices, restaurants, hospitals and different kinds of industrial companies easily offset the costs and stay ahead of the competition. Installation of solar power makes a business self-sufficient and avoid increase in the cost of electricity. And finally, solar residential. Solar panels are giving homes with a lot of savings. Increasing the market value of houses by having solar is another advantage. Having solar panels is not the only use of solar energy at home. It can also be used in water heaters, cookers, outdoor lights and other solar devices. You can avoid rising cost of fuel and electricity, reduce the carbon emission, and that helps to build a greener environment. Book an appointment with us and one of our solar expert will be reaching you as soon as possible.